Welcome guys, welcome back to another video for common accounting terms all the business. These terms we are applying for all the business. The best on these terms only all the business is running. The small company, whether big company, that is not a big problem. But these terms we are using for everywhere. Accounts receivable. Before we saw accounts payable, correct? Now accounts receivable. What is the accounts receivable? Accounts receivables are balance of money due to firm or goods service delivered or used but not yet paid for by customer. That means what? We already did some service or we already sell some goods but still we are not received money from the customers. So that means accounts payable means what? We are selling and we are doing service, we are getting money from the suppliers. That is we are getting money from the customers. That is the accounts receivable. Okay, whatever we are selling, we are going to receive from customers. Accounts receivables are listed on balance sheet, current assets. Okay, this accounts, you can understand clearly. Accounts receivable means we are selling the product, we are getting money from the customer. At the same time, accounts receivable will be current assets in the balance sheet. Okay, accounts receivable, money owned by per customer for purchase made on credit. For example, sometimes the customer will be take credit from the company. So we are given 90 days, like 120 days, 60 days, 30 days, whatever. The same thing, how we are going to take material from the supplier, what supplier is given the credit period. The same thing is accounts payable also, accounts receivable also, what we are going to sell the items, the same we are going to give the account period in when we are going to get the money, like that. The based on that accounts receivable team, they should follow up the customers and they have to take the money. Now, for example, as per my working experience, what I did, if I am doing on, I am the accounting guy. When I was working in the receivable, we are calling the customer and we are asking the money. Okay, in case if they are delaying, we inform to the store and don't deliver any item. You understand? We stop the supplying. After stop the supplying, the customer will call us. What happened? Why? What is the issue? So if we have the overdue, how we are going to transfer the, how we are supplying the materials, like goods. The same thing, the same day, customer will pay it to us. This is the we are doing in our company. The same thing, accounts receivable department, what? They should take money from the customer. At the same time, they will make the record. They have to send SOA, statement of account, to the accounts supply customers. They should follow the customers. They will maintain the records also. Okay guys, we will see another one.